Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Solve these questions. First turn is Deep Kamal.
Yes.
Yes.
And micro is equal to 10 to the power minus 6.
Micro.
10 to the power minus 6.
Okay.
Deca 10.
Deca
10. Mega 10 to the power minus. Sorry. Mega 10 to the power 6.
Okay.
Giga 10 to the power 9.
Giga 10 power 9. And femto?
Femto 10 to the power minus 15.
Minus 15. Right, which is very good. Next, write in scientific notation. Kulbir Kaur. Write in scientific notation. 0.0048. Write it in scientific notation. 0.0048. Write in scientific notation.
4.8 into 10 to the power minus 3.
4.8 to 10 raised to power minus 3. Right. Next, Sachinit Kaur.
And for next 2.34
Yes.
into 10 raised to power 5.
10 raised to power 5, right? Next. Yes, Vaibhav Kalia.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vaibhav. 8008. Write it in scientific notation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in 8008, it will be 8.008 into 10 raised to the power 3.
10 raised to power?
3.
3, right. 8.008 into 10 raised to power 3. Next. Gurleen Chand. Yes, Gurleen Kaur, roll number 23.
5.00 into 10 raised to power 2.
Into 10 raised to power 2, right? Next, Garab.
Yes, ma'am, it's already in scientific form. 6.001.
Yes, right. 6.0012 into 10 raised to power क्या लिख देंगे आप साथ में? 0. 10 raised to power 0. Now, how many significant figures are present? First में बताइए कितनी significant figure है?
2.
First turn, Krish Kumar.
2 significant figures.
Right. 0.0025, 2 significant figures. Next, Sukrit, आप बताएंगे? How many significant figures in 208?
Madam, in 208, there are 3 significant figures.
3 significant figure, right? The next, how many significant figures are present in 5005? Prabnur Kaur Khurana.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Prabhu.
Ma'am, in 5005, there are 4 significant figures.
Okay, next में बता दीजिए how many significant figure in 2.0034?
There are 3 significant figures.
2.0.
No, ma'am, 5.
How many significant figures?
5 significant figures.
Right, 5 significant figures. Next, round up the given into 3 significant figure. Round up to 3 significant figures. Yes. So Virdugan.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग सुमित.
मैम फर्स्ट वाले में आएगा 34.2.
ओके राइट 34.2. ओके राइट नेक्स्ट सुमित.
मैम नेक्स्ट वाले में आएगा 10.4.
10.4. The next
0.0460.
0.0460. Right. Very good, Sumit.
Thank you.
Any doubt in this slide? Any doubt in this slide?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Next is calculate molarity of solution of ethanol in H2O, in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. Assume the density of water to be 1. Calculate molarity of a solution of ethanol in H2O, in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. Assume the density of water to be 1. Very good. कृष कुमार, वैभव, सुप्रीत, दिशा, प्रभाकर जी ने सॉल्व भी कर लिया. वेरी गुड बेटा. हमें कैलकुलेट क्या करना है यहाँ पे? मोलैरिटी. मोलैरिटी इज इक्वल टू यस
number of moles of ethanol divided by volume of solution.
Right. Number of moles of ethanol divided by
volume of solution in liters.
Solution. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what are the number of moles of ethanol? Not given. Volume of solution ये भी given नहीं है हमें. But given क्या है कि
mole fraction
of ethanol. ये given.
Number of moles of ethanol.
Yes, number of moles of ethanol
divided by total number of moles, that is number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of water.
Very good. Number of moles of right.
Number of moles of water we can write it as weight of mass of water divided by molar mass of water.
Mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. It means the solution है बहुत dilute है. अगर इथेनॉल 0.040 प्रेजेंट है सोल्यूशन में, तो आप देख लीजिए वाटर बहुत ज्यादा प्रेजेंट है. इट मींस सोल्यूशन इज वेरी डाइल्यूट, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
नाउ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इथेनॉल डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ इथेनॉल प्लस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर. अब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर. नाउ नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास अपॉन मोलर मास.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, लेकिन हमें ना तो गिवन मास पता है.
Mass is equal
We
to
know the molar mass. Molar mass of water is 18.
density into volume.
Yes,
of
density given है हमें, right? Density is equal to mass upon volume. Now, density
mass is
of H2O यहाँ पे given है 1 gram per milliliter. मास हम यहाँ से
Yes.
सॉल्व कर लेंगे. एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ H2O
1 liter.
इसके लिए लिख रहे हो H2O के लिए. Now, as solution is very dilute, it means volume of solution is equal to volume of solvent approximately. आप
Yes.
मोलैरिटी सॉल्व करना चाहते हो ना. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 1 लीटर. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
तो हम कह रहे हैं सॉल्यूशन बहुत डाइल्यूट है. डाइल्यूट मींस दैट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. सॉल्वेंट भी क्या हो जाएगा 1 लीटर, दैट इज 1000 मिलीलीटर. ओके जी, सो कैन वी राइट हियर 1000.
Yes, ma'am. 10 to the power 3.
It means mass of H2O is equal to 1000 gram.
10 to the power 3 gram.
1000 gram.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now number of moles of H2O अगर हमें solve करने हैं, number of moles of H2O. Number of moles of H2O is equal to 1000 gram of H2O divided by molar mass. Molar mass कितना 18. कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 55.5.
55.5.
राइट. ये हो गए नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ H2O. 0.040 number of moles of ethanol divided by number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of H2O, 55.5. From this, so we can calculate number of moles of ethanol.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It is 0.040 number of moles of ethanol plus हो जाएगा 2.22 number of moles of ethanol. Now calculate the number of ethanol.
वहाँ पर number of moles of ethanol भी आना चाहिए. नहीं, ठीक. .96.
0.96 number of moles of ethanol. Yes. What is the number of moles of ethanol now?
2.22 divided by 0.96.
Number of moles of ethanol is equal to 2.22 divided by 0.96. Now, what are the number of moles of ethanol? Number of
2.3 something आ रहा है.
2.31.
2.
Right.
2.31.
2.31. ये दोगे number of moles of ethanol. आपने solve क्या करना है? Molarity. Molarity is equal to number of moles of ethanol divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution liter 1 liter. तो ये हो जाएगा 2.31 mole per liter. It's note down.
Yes, ma'am.
Convert the given into basic units. First convert कीजिए 28.7 picometer को basic unit में. Microseconds. Convert 28.7 picometer into basic units. Yes, Kurleen Korchana.
Yes, ma'am. 28.7 picometer into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter.
Okay.
Divided by 1 picometer.
1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? Answer is?
2.87 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter.
Very good. Next. Deep Kamal.
1.15 picometer multiply 10 की power minus 12
microseconds multiplied by 10 raised to power 6.
1 picometer.
Yes. Microsecond cancel out. Answer is
1.5 into 10 की power minus 5.
Right. Next. Prabnoor Kaur Khurana.
Yes, ma'am. 25365 into 10 raised to power minus 3 gram upon 1 milligram. तो मिलीग्राम से मिलीग्राम कैंसिल हो जाएगा, देन ये आ जाएगा 2.5365 into 10 raised to power -2 kg.
राइट बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Disha Prabhakar, read the statement.
A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, supposed to be carcinogenic in nature. The level of contamination was 15 ppm by mass. Express this in percent by mass. Determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample.
फर्स्ट आपने सॉल्व करना है एक्सप्रेस द परसेंट बाय मास. व्हाट इज पीपीएम? पीपीएम होता है पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. पार्ट्स पर मिलियन. जैसे परसेंटेज देखना 100 में से इतना, ऐसे मिलियन में से इतना, इतने पार्ट्स हैं उसके. एक्सप्रेस द परसेंट बाय मास.
15/1 million into 100.
Mass percent is equal to, yes, mass percent of chloroform CHCl 3 is equal to mass of chloroform divided by mass of solution into 100. अब mass of chloroform कितना गिवन है? 15 parts. 15 parts mean 15 gram in million gram solution. Now mass of chloroform is 15 divided by mass of solution millions, 10 raised to power 6.
10 raised to power 6.
Very good. Into 100. Now solve it, beta.
15 into 10 to the power minus
10 raised to power -3.
Very good, Disha Prabhakar ji. 15 into 10 raised to power -4, and we can write 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus. What is the formula of molality? Yes, Hitain. Both. Hitesh, yes. Yes. Molality is equal to.
Ma'am, formula of molality is equal to
number of moles of solute, that is chloroform, divided by, yes,
volume of solution in kg.
Mass of solvent.
1 kg of solvent.
Mass of
solvent in 1
kg. Right. First, बेटे number of moles of chloroform बताइए क्या होंगे? What are the number of moles of chloroform? 15 gram given mass. Now what is the molar mass of chloroform? solve करते हैं. chloroform का molar mass CHCl 1 into 12 plus
1 into 12 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 in 3 into 35.5.
हाँ जी. 12 plus 1 plus 106.5. What is the molar mass of chloroform?
Ma'am, 236.5.
No.
119.5.
Right, Disha. 119.5
Yes, ma'am.
ग्राम पर मोल. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखते हैं 119.5. तो यहाँ से आप क्या सोल्व कर लोगे? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. सॉल्व कीजिए नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. 15 divided by 119.5.
Ma'am, 0.1255.
0.1255.
0.1255. Right.
5.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ये तो हो गया number of moles of chloroform. Now mass of solvent. Mass of solvent. Now what is the mass of solvent? Mass of solvent क्या होगा? Solution के mass में से अगर आप solute का mass minus कर दो. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Solution में क्या होता है? Solute and solvent. Now what is the mass of solution? 10 raised to power 6.
1 million.
आपने कहा ppm,
Yes, ma'am.
parts per million. 10 raised to power 6 mass of solution minus 15. That is
Minus
mass of solute.
Solute.
तो अगर आप इसको माइनस करेंगे तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली इक्वल हो जाएगा 10 raised to power 6 के. सॉल्यूशन क्या है? डाइल्यूट है.
Yes, ma'am.
10 raised to power
Yes,
6
ma'am.
minus 15 approximately equal to 10 raised to power 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now you know the number of moles of solute and you know the mass of solvent. Now solve it.
1.2.
Ma'am,
1.255 into 10 raised to power minus 4.
Minus 5.
Ma'am, 1.255 into 10 raised to power minus 4.